If you have been told just post more content to grow your service business, I want you to stop doing that right now, today. Not because content doesn't work. It's because volume without strategy isn't building you a business, not a bit. It's building you a habit of talking to no one. If you're a plumber, a consultant, a therapist, a financial advisor, anyone who earns a living by being trusted enough to be hired, this video is going to change how you think about every piece of content you create from here on out. Here's what probably happened to you. Someone told you to post daily. Maybe it was a course, a coach, a YouTube video, just like this one. So you tried it. You posted tips. You posted quotes. Maybe you jumped in on a trend or two. And in a few weeks, you looked at the numbers and nothing changed. No inquiries, no new clients, maybe a few likes from people who already know you. So what did you conclude? Probably one of two things. I'm not cut out for this, or I just need to post even more. And neither of those things are true. The real issue is that posting frequency was never the variable that mattered. It's the wrong lever entirely. So here's the shift I want you to make. And it's the foundation of everything on this channel. Visibility without strategy doesn't create clients. It creates noise. A potential client isn't scrolling through their feed thinking, wow, man, I wonder who posts the most. They're thinking, who understands my specific problem? And can I trust this person to solve it? That means your job isn't to be everywhere. Your job is to be unmistakably clear to the right person. And you need to be clear to the right person at the right moment. And you have to be clear to the right person and at the right moment about the right thing. That is a completely different skill than posting more. Here's the first thing to take away. Consistency of message, not frequency of posting. A potential client needs to hear a consistent point of view from you before they even trust it. They don't need a consistent schedule. They need a consistent message. If you're a financial advisor and one week you're talking about crypto and the next week you're talking about budgeting for new parents and then the next week about tax law changes, you haven't built anything. You've just been present. You've just been posting. Pick the 2 or 3 core beliefs that you want to be known for and let every piece of content, no matter how often you post, reinforce one of those points. Someone should be able to watch 3 of your videos 6 months apart and know exactly what you stand for. Second point I want to make to you today is specificity over generic tips. Generic advice earns nothing because generic advice is available everywhere for free from 1,000 other people who look just like you. Communication is important in relationships. Whoa, that comes from a therapist. Helps no one and convinces no one. Here's the exact phrase I teach couples to use on the first 10 seconds of a conflict and why it works. Now, my friends, that is specific. That's memorable. That's what makes someone think, wow, I need to talk to this person. Specificity is what separates a credible expert from someone reciting a listicle. Third point I want to make, one clear path, not scattered content. If someone watches your content and is ready to take the next step, do they know what the next step is? Most service business content has no path. It's just content. No next move, no obvious, here's how you'd actually work with me. This doesn't mean hard selling in every post. It means every piece of content should live inside a system that eventually leads somewhere. A consultation, a lead magnet, a simple next step. One path, not 5 different calls to action across 5 different platforms. So here's what I want you to do this week. Before you post anything else, take the last 5 pieces of content that you've created, posted, ask yourself 3 questions. First question. Number 1, do these all point back to the same 2 or 3 core beliefs? Or am I all over the place? Number 2, is there anything specific in here? Or could any other person in my industry have posted the exact same thing? Great one to consider. And then 3, if someone loved this content, do they know what to do next? If you can't answer yes to those, you don't have a content problem. You have a clarity problem. and no amount of additional posting fixes that. This channel exists to help you build content and branding that actually earns trust and brings in the right clients, without gimmicks, without chasing trends, and without sacrificing how you want to show up. In the next video, I'm going to be breaking down the 3 questions your website and social profiles need to answer in the first 5 seconds. Because most service businesses are failing this test right now without even knowing it. And if this reframed how you're thinking about your content, subscribe. This is exactly the kind of strategy we're building here together. I'm glad you stopped in. I'll see you in the next one. I am out.